Mesh Fusion will not work. Click and drag down from the middle of the skirt. Rotate to view from the front. Press W to activate gizmo again. Click and drag the blue arrow upwards to the waist. Let me zoom in to adjust the primitive edge insert. Click and drag the red rectangle to adjust the width and the blue rectangle to adjust the height. When you're happy with the size and position, invert masking to adjust the bottom of the skirt. I think it needs to be wider. Ctrl-I to invert the mask. Using gizmo, adjust the width of the skirt by clicking and dragging on the red rectangle. When done adjusting, press Ctrl, click and drag on the background twice. The first time, unmask everything. The second will activate Mesh Fusion. This is the first Ctrl click and drag, and this is the second Ctrl click and drag, which activates Mesh Fusion. Then ZBrush will join the two surfaces automatically. And that's how you activate